What's up everyone, it's the daddy with the caddy and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm finna be changing the oil and filter on my 1990 Cadillac DeVille. It's important to change the oil to maintain the engine's health and performance. So let's get to it. Make sure the car is parked on a level surface and engage the emergency parking brake. The oil filter is located on top of the motor on the driver's side behind the air filter housing. Before removing it, place some rags around the filter to catch any spills. This filter location can make a mess. Lubricate the new oil filter seal with motor oil before installing it, then tighten it by hand. Carefully lift the vehicle with a floor jack and place a jack stance underneath the frame for safety. Position the oil catch pan underneath the drain plug. Using a 15mm socket and ratchet, loosen the drain plug. Keep in mind though, the drain plug size may be different depending on your caddy. Inspect the oil drain plug and replace the washer if it's worn or if the nut looks stripped, like this one. I ordered a new one from Amazon since my local auto parts store didn't carry one for my Cadillac. Strange, an American car and they don't have parts for it. Make sure you have everything you need before starting the oil change. By the way, if you notice oil around the oil pan like I did on my caddy, it's most likely a worn oil pan gasket causing the leak. You might want to check that out while you're under there. Once the oil has completely drained, securely tighten the drain plug back in place. Refill the engine with 6 quarts of motor oil. The brand and viscosity is up to you. Start the car and check for leaks. Then shut off the car and double check the oil level using the dipstick. Remember to take the used oil and filter to your local auto parts store for recycling. Alright you guys, and now you know how to change the oil on your own Cadillac DeVille. Remember, basic maintenance like this will make sure that your engine runs for a long time. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.